Video editing just got completely revolutionized, and I'm honestly blown away by what I'm about to show you. Meet Lucy Edits, an AI tool that can seamlessly transform videos by changing outfits, adding accessories, or completely transforming characters using nothing but simple text prompts. This isn't just another AI gimmick. This is something that could fundamentally change how we approach video content creation. What makes Lucy Edits absolutely incredible is how it preserves everything that matters. The motion stays natural, faces remain consistent, and identities are perfectly maintained while the AI intelligently adapts the scene around them. You can swap a business uniform for a superhero costume, transform a person into an alien or polar bear, turn someone into an anime character, or add playful details like custom text on clothing. The possibilities are genuinely endless. Lucy Edits comes in two distinct versions, each designed for different needs. The dev version is the open-weight community model that you can download and run locally for free. Then there's the Pro version, which delivers even more consistent, detailed, and reliable results for creators who need that extra level of polish and precision. Both versions are accessible through their API and platform, with support for both 480p and 720p video editing. Let's look at some demos first, and then I'll tell you how you can use it completely free. Here's our first example. A video of a woman turning around with some paintings visible in the background. Watch what happens when I prompt it with, put the woman in a red bikini with an open thick coat above it. The transformation is seamless. Notice how the character consistency is perfect, the background remains untouched, and the natural motion is completely preserved. The AI understands exactly what needs to change and what needs to stay the same. But that's just the beginning. We can take the same video and completely transform her outfit again. Let's make her wear black jeans, a leather jacket, and a crop top underneath. Again, perfect execution. The motion flows naturally, and you'd never guess this was AI generated if you didn't know better. Now here's where it gets really wild. We can take that same woman and transform her into something completely non-human. Watch as we turn her into a lizard creature while maintaining all the original motion and scene composition. This level of transformation while preserving the underlying video structure is something I've never seen before. Let's look at another example. Here we have a man wearing a casual jacket. Using Lucy Edits, we can transform him into a polar bear while keeping his exact movements and posture. Or we can make him an alien creature, add snow to the entire scene, or dress him up in a formal suit. Each transformation maintains the natural flow of the original video while completely changing the visual elements. Here's a more complex scene, a princess touching her hair with a beautiful fountain beside her. Lucy Edits can add tigers into the background, transform her into an anime-style character, replace her flowing dress with medieval knight's armor, or modernize her look into a contemporary princess outfit. The fountain, the lighting, the hand movement, everything stays perfectly consistent while the AI works its magic on the specified elements. Now for the really good news, you can install Lucy Edits locally on your computer and run it completely free with unlimited usage offline. This means no subscription fees, no credit limits, and complete privacy for your projects. I've included all the installation links in the video description below. However, if you want to jump right in and test Lucy Edits without any installation hassle, there's a completely free online platform you can use right now. I'll put the direct link in the description, but let me walk you through exactly how it works. Getting started is incredibly simple. Just sign up with your email address or Google account and you'll immediately receive 2,000 free credits to experiment with. That's more than enough to get a real feel for what this tool can do and create several high-quality video transformations. The interface is straightforward and user-friendly. You upload your video file, type in your transformation prompt describing exactly what you want to change, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. The platform offers both the Dev and Pro versions I mentioned earlier. The Dev version is the same open source model you can install locally, while the Pro version offers enhanced consistency and detail quality for more demanding projects. Pricing is transparent and reasonable. A 480p video generation costs 75 credits, while 720p resolution bumps it up to 150 credits. With your starting 2,000 credits, you can create multiple videos and really explore what's possible with different prompts and scenarios. What excites me most about Lucy Edits is how it democratizes advanced video editing techniques that would normally require expensive software, professional expertise, and hours of manual work. Now you can achieve Hollywood-level transformations with a simple text description, whether you're a content creator, filmmaker, educator, or just someone who loves experimenting with creative technology. The implications for content creation are enormous. Imagine creating multiple character variations for storytelling, transforming actors for different scenes without costume changes, or adding fantastical elements that would be impossible or prohibitively expensive with traditional methods. Lucy Edits opens up creative possibilities that were previously available only to big-budget productions. If you're interested in staying ahead of the curve with AI tools like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'm constantly testing and reviewing the latest AI breakthroughs, and there's always something new and exciting to explore.